guys, where are we? Nandito naman kami sa loob ng camper van. So, dahil wala kaming madalang mahagilap na pagkain sa bahay, doon si David dumaan dito sa Aldi. So, ayan, busy ang car park. Yun, Aldi yan sa likod. Doon hindi makita, basta. Yun, bumibili lang si David ng para kakainin namin mamayang gabi. Text ko nga siya. Text ko siya kung bibili siya ng milk. Teka lang. Hello! Nandito na kami. Nakarating na kami dito sa kung saan kami matutulog mamayang gabi. Ano talaga siya? Sorry. May bayad pala. 2 pounds all day. So, dito lang. Dito kami. Malapit pala sa kalsada. So, maririnig namin yung mga sasakyan. Ayun, doon. So, dito kami, ayan. May mga bandi na ewan ko kung dito yung sila matutulog. So, andun si David, ayan. May kausap. May kausap na tao. So, nandito yung ating babies. Excited na sila. May bago silang harness. Ayan. Hala, nalaglag na. Sige na. See you in a bit. Bye for now. Oh, it's cold. Have a nice day. Paper. Hi! Nandito kami sa isang park na may mga carvings. Ito yung ito, tingnan niya. Ito yung number 1 carvings. Come on, Peanut. Ako ang tagahawak kay Pepper and Peanut kasi si David nagpa-vlog. So ito, dito tayo. Ayan, medyo malamig pa kahit na walang ulan, medyo malamig pa, kaya ang suot namin ni David, uniform kami ni David, uniform, yung isa naming uniform hindi namin sinuot yung siya, light blue na may hood. So ito yung sinuot namin kasi si David nakasombrero lang, ako nakaganto, ang lamig kasi. Yes, ikot lang muna kami, and then after this babalik kami doon sa camper van. Tapos kakain kami ng hapunan, and then matutulog, and then bukas lilipat kami dito kasi dito malapit sa CR, mga before 7 o'clock 7 o'clock bukas na yung CR nila. So yan yung isa, number 2. Yan.
Comprehensive school. What we did make this. So that's it.
Number 4, ano yan? Frog.
Frog.
Pakla. Palaka. Nandoon yung number 5. Ayan, oh. Ayun, kita niya. Yan. Number 5 ay owl. Number 6.
On to number 6.
It's deer.
There's a langow.
Ano may
Wait a
lang.
minute.
Dito tayo sa number 7. Number 7 ay maraming tae. Tae ng ano? Horse.
This is number
What
7.
is that?
And it is
A rabbit.
a rabbit.
Rabbit. Rabbit. I think we're going this way. There's a lot of po. Yan si Pepper at si Peanut. Nag-i-enjoy kasi hindi kami sa bukid. We're not on the hills now. We're just on the flat bits. We're in the park. Okay. Yan si David. Nasaan na ba si David? Nag-aayos ng kanyang microphone. Number 8. Ay, ibon. Oh, it's muddy. Siyan, dito tayo naglakad sa Forest of Burnley Townley. Doon tayo nanggaling kanina. Tapos iikot lang tayo. Andito na tayo. Inikot lang natin yung park. Ay, nandito na kami. Nakabalik na kami sa sa camper van. Ang oras ay pasado alas 4, mag-alas 5 na nung ngayon. Ganyan, siguro mga 4:20 kami nakarating o 4:30. Tapos, parang masama yung ko kanina. Pinagpapawisan ako ng malamig. Kaya sabi ko, bumalik na kami. At si David ay nagpapasya ng libro. Kasi, Peanut, ayan, natutulog. Si Pepper din napagod nandoon sa kabila. So, nagkape lang kami and then kumain ng KitKat. Ngayon, tutulog lang ako konti kasi parang pagod na pagod ako. See you in a bit. Bye for now. Hi everyone. Dito tayo nagluluto si David ng aming hapunan. Andun. Ano lang yan? Fish cake lang yan. Tapos nandito yung ating bread. Lagyan natin ng butter.
Shut up, Pepper.
What are you having?
There's some dog food in there. A tin
Tin?
of dog food. Tin, yeah.
Okay. We can use the knife first and then we can use the knife. Just one of these. You think?
What?
Just one each.
Yep.
Then we can have some ham sandwich tomorrow.
Oh yeah, there's some ham in there. Dog's gonna have a bit of ham.
You think it's good? It's okay now?
Yes, thank you.
And now I'm going to prepare the dog's food. You don't have your head in the wall.
Why has it got that window like that?
It's facing that way.
Oh, I
And
see.
then I can make it bigger.
Oh.
So, yan yung sa labas, sa window.
Oh, I see.
Ayan, may mga,
It's one of these silly dual fuel
yeah,
views, is it?
yung there's some people walking. May naglalakad doon. Yun, mga sasakyan, may naglalakad doon. I don't know, somewhere there, naglalakad.
Oops.
And, ayan, si David, nagluluto. And do you want salad on yours? Bumili si David ng salad. Ilagyan natin ng salad. How much salad do you want?
That much.
Yes?
Yep.
Lagyan natin sa fridge. And then, pakakainin natin yung mga...
Put some gherkins on
gherkins. Well,
in the jar.
my gherkins. Ayan, gherkins. Look, my head is too near. Too near to the camera. Ilayo-layo natin yung camera. Ayan. Patas-tasin natin. There you go. Buti na lang maliliit kami kasi ang hirap kumilos pag ano. Do you want your beer now?
Oh yes, please. I'll have a beer. Give me that can one.
The can one.
Can at the bottom. Like that. Thank you.
And then, pakakainin natin yung mga...
Here we are. This is the first beer I've had out of the fridge whilst we've been camping. It's not a beer. It's a Jack Daniels and Coke. First discovered these in Australia.
What do you want your gherkins on the salad?
Just eat on the bread.
On the bread?
Yep.
How many gherkins do you want?
Just fill the bottom there.
Nararinig nyo guys, nandito kami sa kakahuyan. But this is not really a wild camping, is it? Because it's nearby the...
Wild. It's what people call wild because we haven't got a hook-up electric.
It's still nearby the
And we haven't got a toilet facility in the immediate vicinity.
But we have,
There's plenty of trees though. But there is a toilet down by the bowling green. Like I just said, you can walk down there.
I use my, seaweed.
After we've eaten, we'll walk down there so I can show you where it is to decide where we want to stay. It's quite a long walk though. Well, it would be if you're desperate.
Sarap.
There's
Ang
plenty
gherkins.
of trees.
Masarap. Oh, this is nice.
Are you eating just gherkin like that? Put some salt on it.
Oh, it's nice. It's
Sour.
sour. I'm going to feed the dogs because they're...
Yeah, feed
Where did you
dogs
put the
now.
plate? Their plates.
In that cupboard.
I think do you need a drink?
Just get them some food first.
Can't reach.
Making it complicated.
Peanut, can you reach that? There you go. So, once David, it smells burnt.
These might be ready.
Oh, sorry. I just farted.
You pass me a knife. So I can use. Oh, anything. Yeah, that'll do.
What is?
What's the dog's knife? Keep it.
So, ayan guys. Kain na natin si Pepper at si Peanut. Gutom na. Nandito, nagintay si Peanut at si Pepper. Naghihintay na sila ng ng kanilang pagkain. Nakalimutan ko magdala ng gunting. Kailangan talaga namin maglagay dito ng mga gamit na dito lang lagi.
Not quite.
Okay. Can I put this in the fridge?
Yeah.
It's cold, even if it's not in the fridge. Right? Sorry. Good one, Peanut. Good one.
Oh, Someone's locking the car, but not.
Huh?
Somebody's locking the car, but not locking it. Doing that usual problem at home. Camper van arrived. Actually, it's just a van.
Can you not pay here if you're not staying all day? You're just going to park, isn't it?
What?
The rest are not, they're not paying.
Can't hear you.
Some of the car they don't pay.
How do you?
Hmm?
How do you?
They just they just park.
Are they ringing it?
Can I put a bit of biscuit?
It's up to you. Enough, you've got enough.
We're going for a walk after this.
Yeah.
They can have it. So if they need. Or are they going to eat downstairs? Down
Push
there?
the cupboard properly.
Huh?
Close the cupboard properly.
Pepper. Peanut. Pepper there. This is the book that David is reading. It's YouTube channel. They are YouTuber. Saint Christopher Atlantis.
Don't help me with these.
Pinapalo ni David. Ha?
Don't help me with these.
Okay.
Be careful, don't touch it, it's hot. So if you just transfer it onto it.
No, we need a kutsara.
Just slide it out a lot.
Ah.
I didn't know that came up like that. Oh, it just comes off like that.
Ah, so you cannot. Oh. You blend.
I didn't know that. Ow! It bit me. Ow! Ow!
So let's eat. This is our dinner. Do you need a tinidor and kutsara?
Taste, mate.
Is it nice? Mainit? Mainit?
Very careful.
Too hot? Is it too hot?
It's hot, but not too hot.
I'm gonna give them some.
Oh, it's too hot. Ah, try me.
It's too hot. I told you. Ito guys yung aming ano. Tubig. Wait. Is this on? Do you think? Ay, sorry.
Mass in it.
Which one is it? The water?
I've told you 1,000 times. The one nearest the tap at the bottom.
Okay, inumin natin si Pepper, si Pia. Water. So yan, kain na tayo. Ayan, kain na kami ng aming hapunan. This is our hapunan. Do you know what is hapunan?
Mas mainit. Pero masarap. Is that good? Very hot but delicious.
Mainit masyado. Sobrang init. Sobrang init pero masarap. Salad. Gusto, are still hungry? Are still hungry? Dito kumakain nilang misa.
What are you sitting on?
How about this? In the middle?
Oh, right. Okay.
Pillow. What's the other pillow? What's my other pillow? What? What's 4 pillows? What's the other one? Let's see. Good. Is it okay to sit in the middle?
Oh, I don't know. Better ask permission from the campervan gods.
Huh? Sige, mamaya. Kain muna kami, bye. Meron kaming afters. Yung matamis. Binili ni David sa Aldi. Sa Aldi o Lidl? Aldi. Ito. Tiramisu. Tiramisu. Yan. Ang sarap dito kasi there's still sunshine. It's a bit cold. Pero yung mga ibon nag-aawitan.
This is tiramisu with pistachio.
I'm just going to use yung ginamit kong tinidor. Tiramisu with pistachio. May basurahan na kami dito. And ito yung pepper. Ingay nito. This chocolate. Hello, tapos na kaming kumain. Then magagawa si David ng, mag-iinit si David ng tubig. Okay, this. So, mag-iinit lang si David ng tubig habang nakalabas pa yung saingan.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, yan lang. Yan. Lagyan natin ito sa basurahan. Basurahan naman dito. Where's your speed? Ayan, tapos kasi you want to throw that away? The water. Tapos dahil hindi ako maghugas ng pinggan dito, gamit lang ako dito, pupunasan ko lang siya. Pag uwi namin bukas, ako hugasan doon sa bahay. So your vlog is English, mine is Tagalog. May vlog si David, yung Campervan Ventures. If you want to watch it in English. And yung ginagamit niya is 360 sa akin. Cellphone lang. So, mas maganda yung niya. Mas maganda yung video niya kaysa sa akin. Pero okay lang. So, punas lang muna dito. Pero pag uwi namin bukas, Hugasan ko to ng maayos. Punas muna, punas. Ang buhay dito sa camper van. Yan, it's in here.
Oh, so you're in through the plate.
Ayan, so
Right, in next to school, you empty the coffee that's in the flask into one of those mugs.
okay.
And just put some hot water in.
So ito yung kape na ginawa kanina doon sa bahay. Empty natin.
Put it on.
It's still hot.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's,
We still have
steam
coffee.
underneath it.
Oh, did you brought some coffee? Can I have it? Try. Thermos.
It's a good flask. That.
Flask thermos. Yeah. Thermos. And where did you put the coffee? It's
It's
here.
in the fridge.
Sorry, Peanut. Sorry, baby. This is decaf.
Some Asda.
I'm
I'm going to keep that plastic
plastic.
coffee thing because it's lighter than the glass one.
Yeah, I bought a new decaf from Lidl. So, punanasan na natin tayo. Is this enough, do you think? Oh my god, it's a lot. This spoon is big. Oh no. It's just in there. 2 spoons?
2 spoons.
You need to put water.
A bit more.
It's,
Yeah, I'll pour it in carefully.
it's in the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything's clean in this van. It's licked. Is that 2 coffee?
Hold it. Do you want more?
Right, yeah.
Is it boiling already?
Not yet.
The water.
Not boiling yet.
Okay, so itong kape namin nasa fridge. Sorry, Peanut. And then punasan ko ulit ito. And there's still some people walking on there. Hindi going to town. Where are they going? Where are you going, Peanut? Are you going to bed? Are you going to bed na? So yan, ayun na nagagawa na si David ng kape, ayun. So yan yung ating after this after this maglalakad uli kami and then decide kung lilipat kami ng paparkingan until, did you see until 7 o'clock here, that 2 pounds 10 o'clock at night. So baka lilipat kami ng doon sa malapit sa CR kasi dito malayo sa CR. Okay lang pag naiihi. Okay lang pag naiihi kasi si David pwedeng umihi dyan sa where's the gatas? Si David pwedeng umihi dyan sa ako hindi. Takot ako kasi okay lang yung
Do it
lalaki.
out here in case it spills.
Mayroon akong shiwi, ginamit ko yung isa. Ito tingnan nyo guys. Ito siya. Traveling. There. Ganito ang itsura niya. Meron pang dalawa dito. Inililit niya. Ah, she's thirsty.
She's picking the milk off this.
So, do you want some milk? Papa, here. Can you... I'm going to get some peanut. Peanut. She was thirsty.
Don't give her a doll. That's my breakfast.
There's still a lot here.
I don't care. That'll be tomorrow.
Binigyan ko ng ano. Can it go like this still?
I hope so. I don't know if it'll spill.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Ow! So, lalagyan natin dito. Slide. Okay!
So, can I have a little cloth to wipe this milk off?
Close.
Just get one out of there.
Where?
Yeah, I can see a cloth there.
What?
In the bag. In the bag.
Yeah. So yan na, may kape na kami. You want to drink this coffee, David?
Not now, no.
This?
Oh, that one, yes.
I just leave me some. Little bit. So ito ay para mamaya pagkatapos namin maglakad. Mainit. Pagkatapos namin maglakad kasi maglalakad na kami after si Pepper, si Peanut gusto maglakad.
Pepper.
Ayan. So, okay guys. Thank you so much for watching sa aming van life. Ayan. Watch
Not
David's
van life, it's van life, not ban.
van life.
Van life, not van life, you flipping Filipino. Filipino.
Watch David's channel. It's
Camper
Campervan
Van Ventures.
Yeah.
Don't forget, if you do watch it, like and subscribe, please. Tell all your friends to watch it as well.
And ring the bell.
I don't think I've got a bell on mine.
There is notification bell.
Where?
It's I'll tell you later.
Alright, okay.
Okay. Bye for now. Maglalakad muna kami. Bye. Bye, Pepper and Peanut. Nandito yung dalawa. They are part of the... That's what...
After the story.
Bye. Be good.
Thank you, Bob. Painting.
Hi. Yung building na yan ay ano siya? Gallery. Gallery building. Tingnan natin doon sa ano. Doon merong mapa doon. Kung ano yan siya. Ang ganda. Ganda ng building.
I'm going to see what that statue is all about.
Ah,
Three ladies in it.
it's not a line, ladies.
Are you ladies?
I don't know. So, ito yung ano, West Wing area. 120 years. Town. Photography for the park and hall were opened to the public. So, yan.
Must have been a rich person that lived here.
It's a nice house. It is. Tapos pupuntahan namin yung ano doon. Merong statue doon, 3. Tingnan daw namin ni David. Ayan. Ayan. Tingnan daw namin ni David. So, post ko muna to. Si David pa sa nasa ilalim. Peanut. What are you doing there, Peanut? What's that? There's a thing in it.
This tree was planted in memory of Len Boulding.
Wow. Ah.
In memory of his
Do you know what's the name of this tree? Hazel tree.
Is it?
Have a look in there. Because it's the same as what Amanda's gave to me. It's hazel tree, is it?
Doesn't say it's a hazel tree.
It is. It's the same as what Amanda has given to me.
It's a weeping elm.
A what?
A weeping elm.
Oh,
It shows what you know.
it's nice to form.
Yeah.
Look at that. Tree. Ang ganda, oh. Yan. May squirrel. Ayun, inaabol ni Peanut. Akoy, si Peanut. Peanut! Oh, look, yung squirrel na Oops! Oh my God, Peanut. Pag pinakawalan ko to si Peanut. Nako, ang ganda ng mga bulaklak dito. Ang ganda, oh. Small, agay, Peanut. This another one. Oh my God, oh, dragon. Come on, Peanut, here. A totally dragon trail. Ooh. So, maganda dito. If you can hear, it's just the birds. So, yan, lalakad-lakad lang kami. What is the time now? Is it 6 o'clock? Ha? 6 o'clock or 7? So, alas 6. Alas 6 tayo ng gabi naman. Si Peanut, busy sa ano, ang daming squirrel. So, dito naman yan, yung white. Ha? White, ano yan? Wild na ano, na garlic. Ano bang garlic sa atin? Laso na. Wildflower yan. So,
Dragon trail tomorrow morning if you want.
Ha?
There's a dragon trail. You get a thing from the in there, and you can follow the dragon trail and find some more dragons.
Hey! The squirrel! Agoy, Peanut! Ow! Yung squirrel, oh! Kawawa naman yung squirrel, oh. Ay, yung squirrel. Sabi kay Peanut, bleh. Kita niyo yung squirrel? Then, si Peanut nandito, oh. Ito, tinitingnan niya yung squirrel. Nandoon sa taas ng kahoy. Ayun. Ayan. Sige, pag nakaakyat ka. Sige, pag nakaakyat ka. Come on! Ganda ng mga bulaklak dito. Peanut, leave it alone. Si Peanut, parang ano dito.
Example there of the Philippine style fence.
Ayan, oh my friends. Kayang-kaya ko yan gawin. I can do that. Yan ang gaganda ng mga bulaklak dito. Grabe, oh. Kasi ano ngayon?
And there's an insect here too.
Ayan, bahay ng mga insekto. Oh, tingnan nyo kahit dito, yung mga insekto may
Whose
bahay.
bench is
Oh.
this? Nicholas White.
Ito naman, may nag-donate nito. So, they have their ashes here or...
I don't know. It's just a memory bench.
Ayan, may memory bench. Yung mga namatay na yan yung nandyan. Sorry. Ayan, yung mga pangalan. Sila ang nag-donate.
He's only young. 1967.
Ito niya yung red dragon yun. Yung dragon. Tapos ito. Ang ganda ng bahay daw yan dati. Pero ngayon gallery na siya. So yan, maglalakad-lakad lang tayo ngayon. Yan. May coat na si Peppa at si Peanut dahil malamig. Nice flowers. So yan ang
Right, just go around here and see the friends of town.
so ito yung mga ano, mga bulaklak. Ang ganda. Public bowling club. Yan. Tinitingnan namin kung yung toilet dito ay bukas. No, it's locked.
Yeah, so that's the decision made. The toilet's just there.
Alright. So, nakalock siya. So, lilipat kami mamaya doon sa malapit sa toilet. Yan. Just the garden is just very nice. Tingnan nyo yan, oh. Do you know when we went to visit the Diana Ross building before?
Who's building?
So, tingnan natin yung ano. Ganda ng building, oh. Ganda ng garden nila, oh. Nandito, dumaan lang kami kanina dito, pero dito kami banda. Yan, it's, yan. South Wing and the Italian Garden. So ngayon, ayan, pupuntahan natin yung tatlong, ay, marami palang statue. Sino yan? Parang si Jose Rizal. What is it? This monument was erected in memory of the men of Burnley who gave their lives for their fellow countrymen in the Great War, 1914 and 1918. So it's the one, 3 kilometers. Kanto. Doon si David at si Pepper. Maraming mga ganito, mga donation yung mga namatay na. Yeah.
Take a photograph here. Point it towards the.
Yes.
Look at the reflection in the water.
I'm just gonna. So yan guys, maglalakad na tayo pa. Andun yung estatwa. Ang daming pan dito. Ayun. May malaking pan dito. So, nandun yung building ng gallery. Andun ngayon pupunta tayo dito sa bowling. Si Pepper busy sa pag-aamoy ng mga ihi ng ayam. Ng ano. So yan. Yeah, 80p per hour.
This is a different car park.
Look at this. Ganda.
When was it pushed?
Peanut is here. Tingnan niyo si Pepper. Kasi pinakawalan ni David. Pepper, come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, we're going. Come on, we're going. Come on. Good girl. Hello guys, bago maglubat ang aking cellphone. Ayan yung building kanina na malaki. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos doon kami nang galing. Doon sa likod ko. Ayan doon. Doon may tao doon naglalakad. And babalik na kami sa camper van. Doon kami matutulog kasi isasarado na ang gate dito ng 9 o'clock. So mag na 9 o'clock na. Kung nakalipat sana kami before 9, pwede kaming lumipat doon sa doon lang malapit sa toilet. Pero okay lang kasi meron naman kami temporary na toilet sa van. Mas bukas ng umaga, maaga siguro mga 6 or 7, mga 7 o'clock, babalik kami, lilipat kami dito. Kasi ang doon hanggang 8 o'clock lang ng where we going? Ayan, so pabalik na tayo doon sa camper van. Kasi yung camper van, bye for now. Maglulubat na yung aking cellphone. Bye! Hi guys, nandito na kami, nakabalik na kami, galing naglakad. Dito na si David, nagkakape na kami. Kasi Peanut dito na, ayan, magkatatabi kami yan. Pag natulog si Pepper nandito. Ayan, napagod si Pepper. Hindi yan, nagpakarga yan. Kinarga ko yan pa uwi kasi ay babalik. Dahil Tuesday. So yan, yung cortina na yan. Tapos yung bed namin na. Ayan, di kami matutulog. Tapos yung cortina dito sa naka na rin. Tapos, let's see, David, may kukunin. Can I have my tripod, please?
No.
Thank you. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, turn off lang niya yung Tapos, turn on niya yung alarm doon sa harap para yung doon lang yan sa harap. Pag, hindi kami pwedeng gumalaw doon sa harap. Kasi magtutunog yung alarm. So, yan na. And, kakape lang kami. Tapos, matutulog na kami. Maaga kami gigising bukas. Dahil lilipat kami. Kailangan mga alas 8. Before 8 kailangan kami. Alis na kami dito kasi lang to hanggang 8. Matutulog na kami. Good night. Good night, David. Night. Pepper here. Tapos peanut nandito. Tulog na kami. Bye. See you on my next one. Bye for now.